Jake Boyd here with Guaranty RV Supercenters in Junction City, Oregon. I want to talk to you today about this 2016 Jayco White Hawk 25 BHS. That means it's a bunkhouse with a big slide on it. I want to walk you through some of the features that really set this apart and make it a really great trailer to have a look at if you're looking for something kind of mid-range to sleep quite a bit of people too. So just going to walk you around the outside here. To start with the tongue jack, you have an electric tongue jack, a lot easier than cranking. A 2 7-gallon propane tanks, really nice diamond plate there, and some nice lights there too. You have a front cap here, and you have an enormous pass-through storage, which is really nice. You do have plug-ins inside here, so it allows you to kind of to set up an outdoor area out here underneath this huge awning, as well as to get lights in there to actually light up that space too. Beyond that, you got slam latches on those doors. Just let it go and it will close for you. I mentioned you have this big awning here. It covers over your double slide out. So you have two opposing slide outs in here. So you have 25-foot length and opens up quite a bit of space inside. So let's head inside and have a peek. We got a big old grab handle here. It really helps out with getting in and out of this unit. As you notice, there's quite a bit of space in here, and you get an island as well. Islands are really great if you're looking to make use of the most amount of space, but still give quite a bit of movement around it as well. You have your U-shaped dinette that turns into a really big bed if you're going to convert that, but you also have really two double bed. You have a double bed over double bed right back here. Each one of these has a small platform for you to set up a book, your phones, has plugins for your phones as well. And each of them has a window as well. Really nice setup here off the rear. Right next to that, you have your bathroom. What's really cool about this unit is that it's solid at 25-foot length. You have a door on the other side that enters onto the bathroom. Now this bathroom, you still get that kind of indoor-outdoor access, which means nobody has to go tromping through if they just need to use the bathroom. And right next to that, you have a ton of storage space. You have your hanging space for your clothes, your just folding space, or this can actually be used as a pantry as well. And it's super deep down there. It's literally about an arm's length all the way to the back wall there. A lot of space to get a lot of stuff inside. U-shaped dinette with this kind of movable table. It's not pegged in. I really like these tables when you can actually push them around if you're just going to scoot around it and stuff too. And you have your media divider here. A really nice spin for the television if you want to watch the television in here while you're dining, or if you want to watch it in bed. You walk around in here. You have your big queen size bed and really nice cabinets on either side, really wide, a lot of space for a lot of hanging clothes, and any kind of storage you might need for the bedroom. If you have any other questions about this rig or any other rigs we have on lot, stop on by and say hello. My name is Jake.